Welcome to Baolida Greenhouse Show. Tunnel greenhouse is currently a kind of greenhouse that is highly accepted by customers with low-cost construction, simple installation, convenient assembly, and a short construction period. The greenhouse uses connectors for installation, no welding. Insert directly into the ground about 15 centimeters. Pipe spacing is 1.2 to 2 meters. The pipe size could be customized. There are beams and W-shaped booms on the top to strengthen the top support. Each span has 2 by 2 meters sliding door. There are both side and top rolling ventilation with 40 mesh insect net. Open it could lower a certain temperature. There are 2 negative fans at the front each span, whole wet pad at the back. A cooling system could reduce the temperature about 10 to 15 degrees.